Are you looking for the best hair straighteners? Check out this video with the 5 best products available in the market. Let's start with the 5th best product, the GHD Classic. The original, multi-award-winning GHD Classic styler is the perfect tool for quick, effortless straightening and easy curls and waves. It features ceramic heaters, sleep mode, 185-degree styling temperatures, round barrels, universal voltage, and a 2.8mm swivel cord. It's a brilliant all-rounder for everyday styling. The Conair Infinity Pro bags the 4th position. This one heats up within 20 seconds, which is insanely fast. This hair straightener comes in 3 sizes. 1, 1.5, and 2 inches are available in various colors. It comes with a heat shield that can be put on once the iron is no longer in use, and will protect countertops from heat while the iron's still cooling down. Next up is the BioI Onyx 1-Pass. BioI Onyx 1-Pass Pro Styling Iron feature. This styling iron features silicone speed strip technology, which allows the hair to glide through the iron and become smooth with just 1 pass. The nanolotic materials infused in the plates emit negative ions that break down water clusters deep into the hair. These micronized water molecules penetrate hair for ultimate hydration, leaving it silky and smooth. The HSI Professional secures the 2nd position. These flat irons are used in salons worldwide because they have the heat balance technology, ceramic tourmaline infused plates for anti-frizz control, and temperature control to prevent hair damage. You can adjust the temperature from 240 to 400 degrees to suit all hair types. The Baby Bliss Pro Nano claims the 1st place. This professional digital ionic straightener with nano titanium technology yields maximum far infrared heat, penetrating the hair from within for gentle straightening without damaging hair. In this model, ionic technology is perfectly paired with the benefits of pure titanium plates for the smoothest, sleekest styles ever. Natural ions reduce frizz, while the Stay Cool Right-In housing resists the ultra-high heat. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.